politics over Prime Minister's puja with the CJI is concerned. The Prime Minister Modi has defended his Ganesh puja with the CJI. The Prime Minister slams the Congress party and the ecosystem. The Prime Minister says, and I quote, that the Congress party seems to be hurt as I participated in the Ganesh puja. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time, where politics over Prime Minister's puja with CJI is concerned.
भाई और बहनों, बांटो और राज करो की नीति पर चलने वाले अंग्रेजों की नजरों में उस समय भी गणेश उत्सव खटकता था। आज भी समाज को बांटने और तोड़ने में लगे सत्ता के भूखे लोगों को गणेश पूजा से परेशानी हो रही है। आपने देखा होगा, कांग्रेस और उसके इकोसिस्टम के लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से इसलिए भड़के हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने गणपति पूजन में हिस्सा लिया था।
My colleague Pragya is joining me on the phone line right now. Well, Pragya, clearly the Prime Minister has taken note of all the political murmurs that came around of his participation in Ganesh Puja at the CJI residence.
Absolutely right on the count. And also Prime Minister has attacked Congress and its ecosystem, saying that they are akin to the Britishers who were trying to divide and rule India. And they were also asked by the Ganesh Utsav because they also knew that there's something going on beyond the Utsav. Remember, freedom fighters used to use these opportunities to huddle and also strategize against Britishers. And this is exactly what Prime Minister was hinting at, saying that they are also akin to Britishers. And there are people who are hungry for power and they have issue with puja. And in fact, he has also narrated an incident from Karnataka where there were stones pelted and there was violence during the Ganesh puja ceremony that had happened in Karnataka. So basically, obviously, Prime Minister is saying that Congress is anti-Hindu.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Pragya. We are paucity of time. I'll have to interject over there. But the Prime Minister clearly sending across a strong message on the political murmurs that came around on his participation of the Ganesh Puja alongside the CJI.